All right, boys and girls, this is your math overview video of the week for week 33. This is the week of April 26th through May 1st. So again, it's going to follow the exact same structure as the week prior. You have an independent practice page to complete here. So print and complete this page. If you're unable to print, same thing, just please solve each question on a sheet of notebook paper and then make sure you jot down your final answer so that when we meet at 2 o'clock, you're able to review and check your work. On Tuesday, instead of meeting at 2 o'clock, you are going to watch a teacher video to review and check your work from that day. Wednesday, we will be meeting. Thursday, we will plan to meet. And Friday, just like before, you do have a graded classwork review. Again, the correct answers will show as soon as you submit your work, so there's no need to meet on Friday to go over these questions. That's your week in math. Let me know if you need anything or if you have any questions about any of the assignments.